The very first time I saw something in the sky, I really hesitated to say anything to anybody.
This is where it landed.
Half of it doing lights. It was like...
I was at one with whatever it was.
They looked like identical twins.
It had a very big head.
Cigar shape.
What it was, we don't know.
This was not a one-off event. These things happen all the time. They happen all the time.
Since the 1940s, we've been told by authorities and scientists that this is ridiculous.
There were over 60 kids that saw what I saw.
It had big eyes.
I think whatever people saw was intelligently controlled, and it was not manufactured by the United States or any other nation for that matter.
When I've started looking into these stories, we can get files from 30, 40 years ago that we've never been able to see.
They were tortured by the fact that no one would listen to them.
You know, you try and live a normal life, you try and move on, but it just opens up doors again.
My relationship suffered. I suffered. I'm still on my quest. I will find out what happened.
We have to keep relearning that lesson that human beings are not the center of the universe.
Most people would say the question is like, are we alone? I think the question is, who are we?